Oi.
Oh, she learned how to tickle Ethan back.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's tickling her brother. That's so funny. Ready? No, Dada.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Well, you gotta eat first. We gotta eat and then we gotta go. It's getting hot.
Your dad doesn't like the heat.
I gotta eat too, guys.
Oh,
I gotta go home and eat lunch too.
Shining low, I long to you. Oh, shining low, I long to hear you. Away, I long away, far across the horizon. Hi, dude, you're back. Oh, was an entrance. Hi, dude. Let me see. Oh, nice water
Yeah, we
shoes.
bought them for you and dropped them off at the castle.
We got Ethan water shoes, but you didn't use them today.
I want to go castle.
They're not going. I just dropped your shoes off so they could use them at the
No,
pool.
no, no.
Yep, they even say new.
I'm going to shoes. I'm not buying the shoes.
Her shoes have her last name on them.
Yeah, that was the other pair that they accidentally got over.
I want to run.
Nice.
You want what? Ethan,
Huh?
say bye-bye.
No, bye.
Good job, Alexa. Say I love you.
No more water shoes.
You got water shoes.
Okay.
Can I have another chip or fry? Piece? Thanks. She is stuffing these little things in her mouth. Thank you. Aubrey, you guys say thanks when your mouth's not full. You tell your sister thank you.
Alright, we got
She wants to eat all your chips.
Oh.
Say no, no, please, Aubrey. Say no, no, Aubrey. You might want to move your chip somewhere else, next Rose.
Huh?
You might want to move your chip somewhere else.
Right here?
Right there, yep, there you go. Whipple boys. You got chips. How am I supposed to feed you your other food if you keep eating chips?
I'm going to back.
Meow, meow, meow.
I'm going to back.
Meow, meow, meow.
I'm going to back. No.
Really? And she's trying to give you a chip now, Alexa. She's trying to offer you a chip. Here you go, sis.
Let's raise the clouds and the sky turns into white.
It turns to what?
The sky turns white and we go to sleep.
Oh, I see. She's coming for you, Alexa. Where are you going, Boo-Boos? Oh, she wants your tassels. Can I play with your tassels?
No, Auntie.
Aww. Thanks for sharing. You got an ouchie again?
No, Auntie.
Where? Right here?
No, Mother. No.
Oh, kissed all of them.
No, I bet.
It's holy bread.
Huh?
Yeah, it'll make you very spiritual when you eat it. Oh no!
Yeah, okay.
What else you got for me, sis? What's that? You might want to eat it before your sister gets to it. She's quite curious. Abby! Abby! Abby, 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 Abby.